Hey Project Fam, welcome back to another video. That's right, she starts! It starts! That's right, and I'm going to show you exactly what it took for me to get to the point whereas this car finally started. Hey Project Fam. I can't believe I'm finally at this day. You have no idea what it took for me to get this car back to my garage. So I did purchase this 2004 Porsche 911 Carrera C4, and the C in C4 is Carrera 4 for it's an all-wheel drive S sport model. And this is how it looks when you get it home from the salvage auction. This is exactly it. I didn't do anything to this car. As a matter of fact, at this point, it doesn't even start. So I'm going to, continue walking around, assessing the damage, making sure that I see everything that needs to be done. This is where the planning begins. I figure out what parts I need, what I need to search on the internet. What am I going to fix? What am I not going to fix right now? I mean, you can't do everything right now. Don't have deep pockets like that. So I got to do things, little bit at a time. And kind of figure out like my next 3 steps. So I'm going to get an overall picture of what I need to do, what I need to buy, what I need to search on the internet. But overall, just start planning my next 3 steps. Step 1 would be getting this car running. It doesn't run. I bought it as a run and drive, but without a battery, it's not going to run. And that's the issue right now. Step 2, emptying out the car and just getting everything out where I can see what I have, what I don't need, my inventory, what's broken. And step 3, wash the doggone car. But I'm not going to do that in this video. You can guarantee that's the next video. But right now, let's get the battery going. Testing out this new little baby battery booster that was in the trunk of the beast. This is really my first time using it. And since I don't have, so on a Porsche, the battery is up front like most cars, but the engine's in the back. Little different. So up front, it's called a trunk, right? Or frunk, F-R-U-N-K. And that's where the battery is. And you can't open the frunk with like a standard open the engine release. It's almost like a trunk release. It's a little backwards, kind of difficult. Nevertheless, I need power to open the frunk. And if the battery's dead, I can't boost the battery because the battery is in the frunk. So, Porsche figured this out and they said, hey, this is what you're going to do. You are going to put a little juice to a terminal underneath the dashboard and ground it just enough so I can open the frunk. That's all I need. And once the frunk is open, I can either charge the battery, I can change the battery, and there I go. I'm still trying to figure out how this thing works. All right, I'm going to give you a glimpse into real-time problems here. This is me trying to open the frunk, and I can't get juice, and nothing's working, and I turn in the key. Maybe I just don't even know how to use this battery pack yet. So I'm going to press, I got green, click, and did you hear that? Boom, there you go. We're open, baby. We are open. So now I have access to the trunk. So let's open that. And first thing I realize is the hood struts are pretty weak. So I need to replace those. I'll add those to my long-term list. Definitely not a short-term goal. And there's my battery. Oh, I'm a little distracted by what's in the trunk. All right, so first thing is, let me try the quick fix. I will put this battery booster to the battery and just try and get the car started. And then after the car is started, I'll let the alternator charge the battery. So that's what I'll do. And let's see if that works. All right, so little baby battery pack didn't work, or I didn't know how to use it at that point. I really didn't know how to use it. So I'm going to take out my old standby battery charger. I'll hook it up, I'll plug it in, and I immediately realize that the battery has no juice. There it is. It has 0% juice. So that's not good. Hey, so I think I'll try a rapid charge because I just want to get this thing started and see what it sounds like. So I'll put it on rapid charge and try and get it started. Check the terminals, do the wiggles, make sure I got a solid contact. And if there were a setting on the battery called impatient, that's exactly what I'd be setting it to right now, because I would like to start this car yesterday. I set it to impatient. Still nothing's happening. I'll let it charge for a little bit. And just like always, let me share some of my problems. As I'm letting this thing charge, I hear a noise coming from inside the car, and I'm thinking, is that the rollover protection about to explode through the roof? What is the windows? The windows are trying to go down? Should we try and start this thing? Like, I have no idea what is happening at this point. Let's try and start it and see what happens. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, right? So, clutch. Good. Brakes up. Still kind of getting used to the left-hand key thing. Nothing's happening. Maybe it's not on. I don't know. Maybe I don't even have the battery connected right. But I have no juice whatsoever. Nothing. I keep turning the key for nothing. But I think at this point I'm just going to get frustrated and go for the big one. Come on, say it. Say it. The first thing I'm going to do is get a battery. That's the big one. Get a battery. Stop messing with this battery. Trying to charge it slowly is just not working. But now I'm just starting to think, do I really need a battery? Okay, let's see what we got. Clutch, grip, start. Well, at least it works this time. But what's happening with the rear windows? Are they going to come down? Is the roof going to open? And is that rollover support in the back going to tear a hole in my roof and break my back glass? And just so you didn't think like I just spend money at a whim, I did try and make this battery work, but man, this thing ain't working. It's done. I'm done. I know I said that 4 times already, but this might be the final time. I promise. This might be the final time. Like, I'm done. That's it. Disconnect the... What? You plug it back in again? Why do we keep trying? This battery has no percentage. It's just not working. This is me talking to myself in hindsight. Like, I really tried so hard to get this battery to work. And this noise troubles me. What is that beeping noise? What? The rear window is rolling down. That is a solid back glass. I don't want the back glass to break because the rollover support is up. Should I just turn the car off right now? The window is going down. As soon as that rear window goes down, I got a feeling the roof is going to open. It is a convertible. And once that roof opens, I will break the back glass and I'll be out a ton more money. I am really concerned at this point. Maybe I should just disconnect the battery altogether. But that won't the window's almost down. As soon as this window is all the way down, I feel like the roof is going to open and I'm just going to get a huge shatter of the back glass breaking from the rollover support that is already up. At this point, I'm just kind of standing way back. If I stand close to the battery, and the roof starts to open, I can pull the battery, the plug from the battery, and nothing will happen. Like, this is some real-time stuff right here. I did not filter this. This is me going through this situation as it happened. All right, the back window is almost down on the driver's side. I am kind of taking cover because if the roof opens, it's going to just explode the back glass everywhere. It's almost down. Any day now. Maybe it's not going to explode. The roof is not opening. So if you want to know like real-time projects and problems, yeah, I'm working on my project and this is a real potential problem I'm dealing with. All right. What's that? I'm just feeling around, trying to see what's that vibrating noise. It's like Morse code. What is the car? Is it help? SOS? What's going on? All right, Project Fam. I'm at 22%. I keep messing with this battery. Even if I get it charged enough to start, I will need another battery as soon as the weather gets really cold and the temperature drops. It's going to zap that battery with the quickness. So eventually I will have to get a battery, but here I am. I don't even want to get in the car and start the car because I'm thinking the roof is going to open and the back glass is going to explode. Let me turn that off. What is going on? And just like that, the beeping noises stopped. Okay. Ooh. So it was at this point I felt a little bit more comfortable that the convertible roof wasn't going to open and my rear glass was going to break. Oh, didn't I say I was going to need another battery? Yeah, I'm not ready yet. I can still try and start the car with this one. I can't even tell you how many times I tried to start this car. But I am happy that my rear glass did not break. I just checked the... Alright, good. That was me checking to see if I needed to send the seat belts off to be reset. They are both free and they move, so that's about... Oh. Alright, dude. You just need to stop. You done? You just really need to stop.
I'm done with that.
Yeah, sure you are.
That is trash. Wait a minute.
Yeah. Let's wait another 10 minutes and try again, because that's what we do. How many times is that now? How many times did I try and start this car? Why don't I just go get another battery? I mean, even the battery charger realized it had enough. It just wanted to unplug itself. Get the hint. Let it go. Uh-oh. That's it. We're done. No more messing with the battery. How many times did I try and start the car? How many times? Has anyone kept? Yes, I kept count. That's right. We're just going to take this battery out. I've got the negative terminal. I've got the positive terminal. I've got one hold down bolt. I think it's a 14 millimeter hold down and two 10 millimeter terminals. So I think that was it.
Sweet. Vent tube.
Take out the vent.
Positive on the left.
It's me talking to myself. Positive on the left. That battery is out. All right, time for the new battery. That's right. Put the new battery in. The exact same size as the old one. Terminals are on the same side. Vent tube is in the same location. This should be a breeze. All right, it's all connected. Let's go for the start. Where are those keys? How come keys? I am so used to not using a key to start my car, but here we go. Here we go. This is it. Ooh, clank, clank, clank. Okay, hope that clinky goes away. All right, let the shifter go. It's in neutral. That's my nervous neutral shifter itch. Those of you who drive a stick, you'll know what it is. This is my first start. I hear a little clinking or tinging sound, but this is my first start. This is it. This sounds awesome. This sounds fabulous. All right, Project Fam. Battery is in the car. Car is started. If you've been following my videos, you might realize that I posted a video a little while ago showing how I clean the car out. Why didn't I give you the video all at once? Because I have to give you these videos in small bites. Yes, this was an awesome day. I not only cleaned out the car, I put a new battery in. I got it started. It sounds awesome. Hey, Project Fam, the next series will be me washing the car. I've got to get this car clean. I've got to wash it. I've got to clean the inside. I got to take care of that little mold issue on the rear seat. Like, that's next. All right. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.